Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting essentials ready. Sign into your Microsoft account and confirm your payment method, because purchases won't complete without one. Once signed in, make sure your Microsoft Store region and billing address match. That prevents regional blocks. Next, check for existing Xbox or Microsoft subscriptions so you don't lose trial eligibility. Pause or cancel if needed. Finally, have any promo code or gift card on hand. You'll redeem that in the next step to get 3 months. Now you redeem and choose the correct plan. On PC or console, navigate to the Game Pass offers page, then select Xbox Game Pass Ultimate if you want cross-platform benefits. Otherwise, pick console or PC. Enter any promo code or claim the 3-month offer before hitting buy, because codes must apply prior to payment. Confirm the displayed price and trial length. If upgrading from Live Gold, conversion rules apply. Review the estimated conversion time and expected finish by confirming the purchase and verifying the charge on your Microsoft account page so you have proof. Once confirmed, download the Xbox app or open the console, install Game Pass games, and sign in. Perks like cloud saves and EA Play appear automatically. Make sure to toggle auto-renew off if you only want 3 months. If something goes wrong, for example, a code won't redeem, clear your browser cache, verify region matches billing, and retry. Contact Microsoft support if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.